Oh yeah. Come here, big fella. Oh, don't swim off now. What we got here? Oh yeah. I got you, don't I? Oh yes, I do. I don't want to get myself up. Don't stop. Thank you. Get up there. Whew. Little chunker. Thank you. It had been a little bit. Oh, he was a small one. Got off. Most of the fish I catch. Oh, got it. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Come here, big boy. Come here. Oh, yeah. 3 1/4. I'm the worst. I thought it'd be about 2.9. Ended up being 3 1/4. Alright, go ahead. Come on now. Come on. God. Nice one. Come here. Come hither. Oopsie daisy now. Here we go. Gotcha. Ah. You're not getting off, bro. Gotcha. Whew. Nice one. He inhaled that thing. My goodness, buddy. Why did you go after it that hard? Okay, well, that was easy. Another nice one. I got everything out. Let me weigh it. I'm gonna guess 2 pounds, a little over 2. Let's go. I'm the worst at this. $2.68. $2.60. All right. for another one. Tell it's a mega bass. The eyes are already popped out. Good lures if they can only figure out super glue.